Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, as you head home from work on this Tuesday evening, your drive should be an easy one for you. This is a live look at the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge. It seems as if the traffic is flowing normally and smoothly at this time, and we're not seeing a bunch of rain across the region, so your drive home should be a dry one. This is the current radar and satellite scene. Plenty of cloud cover overhead, but you notice this green and blue line right here. That's the sea breeze boundary that's moving inland, and typically we see some isolated showers and storms pop up along that in the afternoon, but not seeing too much activity. I think overall your evening should be a dry one. Temperatures right now are in the 80s, 88 degrees in Elizabethtown, Fayetteville checking in at 84 degrees. Same case in Whiteville, Calabash and Southport checking in at 83 degrees, and here in the Port City 84. And what feels so nice is our dew points. They're in the 50s and 60s. Once you get in the mid 60s, it starts to feel a little humid out there, but still not nearly as bad as what we were over the weekend and all last week when dew points were well into the 70s, and at that point it just feels like a complete sauna outside. So a little break from the humidity is always nice and welcomed around here. Getting you through your Pinpoint Futurecast evening hours, those skies will start to clear up, especially overnight and heading into your Wednesday morning. It should be another dry commute into work and a lot of sunshine. Definitely don't forget your sunglasses as you're heading out, getting your day started. In the afternoon, I don't even think we're going to see even a spotty shower pop up in the afternoon. I think you'll be okay. Heading into your Thursday, more of the same, comfortable, sunny, and temperatures really not all that hot, at least for June standards. Tonight, pleasant evening out there. It looks like we'll stay mainly clear. Overnight lows dropping down into the mid to low 60s. Lumberton forecasting 61 degrees. That will feel really nice out there, especially for this time of the year. Humidity at a comfortable level. Plenty of sunshine in store. Northeast wind switching more to the southeast in the afternoon, and temperatures climbing up into the mid to upper 80s. And for ladies, if you're wondering what's your hair cast going to be looking good tomorrow. You don't need the extra hairspray. You don't need the hair tie. I think you'll be good to go throughout the day. If you're heading out to the beach, temperatures will climb up in the low 80s. A northeast breeze 5 to 10 miles per hour, and your rip current risk at a low level for east and south facing beaches. So what we're watching is an area of high pressure off to the west of us right now that's keeping us nice and comfortable for summertime. Once it swings offshore, that's when we're going to see the heat and humidity start to rebuild. Notice our colors start to change into more darker oranges, darker reds, and that's decoding some hotter air starting to move back in here, especially as we head into 4th of July weekend. But that also means storm chances will start to return back to the forecast. They stay slim to none over the next 2-3 days, but once we go into the weekend, we'll see that typical summertime weather patterns start to take over, where you see a few scattered showers in the afternoon. Not a complete washout by any means, but temperatures, yeah, they're going to be returning back into the 90s, going to be hot, at least at this extended forecast. It looks like could be a hot 4th of July weekend around here. Yeah. So you'll want to head out to the boat, the beach, do all that fun stuff, right?
Hair cast on Sunday it needs to be a hat cast.
Yeah, it won't be looking too hot that day.
All right. Helen, thank you.